Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Last time I uploaded the first part of my NailTECH swatches, and now here's part 2. As always, before I apply any shade to swatch, I use a peel-off nail mask. The first shade I'm swatching is 84. Now for the second coat. '84 reminds me of a chocolate milk shade. Then we have 97. Now for the second coat. '97 has a calming blue shade. Third nail polish to swatch is 99. Now for the second coat. '99 has a semi-denim blue shade. Next is 106. Now for the second coat. '106 has a bright green shade. Then we have 114. Now for the second coat. '114 is a pinkish nude glitter polish, which can be a base or a glitter topper. And lastly we have is 141. Now for the second coat. I'm actually loving the application of this blue metallic polish. Most metallic nail polishes have that visible brush stroke marks. This one doesn't. It appears to be very smooth and free from any brush stroke marks. And here are all of the 6 shades. Now let's proceed with the stamp test. By the way, I won't be including the glitter polish for the stamp test. And here are all of them on a lint roller. All the shades for this video is opaque within 2 coats. And on the stamp test, they're more visible than the previous set of shades I've tried. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it below. NailTECH polishes are 55 to 60 pesos each. Bought these at Shopee. By the way, the glitter polish has a stronger smell than the rest. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay safe. Bye!